Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Huawei FreeLace Lite wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earphones not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing or syncing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, any issues like that, if you're having sound issues, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to get these set up again as a new set of earphones and repair them with whatever, like you're pairing a new set of earphones, we can do that really easily. On this Lite version, this doesn't go for the standard Generation 1 FreeLace, this is for the FreeLace Lite. You're just going to come in and press and hold the multi-function button and count to at least 10 seconds. So preferably like 10 to 15 seconds to make sure you do it long enough, and then release. From there, you'll notice you'll need to repair these as a new device, so you can go ahead and set these up as a new set of headphones.